Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to the second part of how to invest in parking lots. If you intend to tackle the asset management of your parking lot alone, then you'll need to implement efficient systems and processes to streamline the management of your parking lot. This could include investing in technologies such as automated payment systems, surveillance cameras, or parking management software to improve the customer experience and increase operational efficiency. With all that being said, this could be somewhat overwhelming to a new investor, which is another great reason to work with a private real estate fund. The fund managers take care of all these hairy details for you. If you're finding this information helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips on real estate investing. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. There are various strategies and opportunities to consider when investing in parking lots, and these include acquiring existing parking lots, developing new parking facilities, or investing in real estate funds that allocate some or all their portfolio to parking lots. Now, once you've conducted thorough due diligence to evaluate factors such as location, demand, zoning and regulations, and management and maintenance requirements, it's now time to consider the potential for capital appreciation and the expected return on your investment. Investing in a parking lot-backed fund provides a more passive approach, allowing investors to gain exposure to parking lot investments without directly managing these assets. To mitigate risk, diversify your investment portfolio by including parking lots in different geographic locations and with varying demand profiles. Additionally, you need to stay informed about any changes to zoning and regulations that may affect your investment and maintain a proactive approach to management and the maintenance. Consider the potential returns on investment, including income generated from parking fees and potential capital appreciation. And then evaluate the expected return on the investment against your investment goals and risk tolerance to determine whether or not parking investments is the right fit for you. Again, when you work with a private fund, the fund managers will take care of all of this for you. You can sit back and reap the many benefits, including, but not limited to, stable cash flow. Parking lots typically generate a consistent income stream through parking fees or leasing agreements, which can provide a stable cash flow for investors. This income can be passive, meaning that you don't need to actively manage the property to receive the returns. Low maintenance. Now, parking lots generally require less maintenance and upkeep compared to other real estate like residential or commercial buildings, multifamily, what have you. Now, this can result in lower operating costs and less time spent managing the property, making it a very attractive option for passive investors. High demand. Now, in urban areas with limited parking availability, parking lots can be in high demand, and this can lead to higher occupancy rates and increased revenue potential. Barriers to entry. Now, in many cases, there's a limited supply of land available for parking lot development, especially in urban areas. And this creates a barrier to entry and can lead to an increased value for existing parking lot properties. Appreciation potential. Now, over time, the value of a parking lot property can appreciate due to factors such as increased demand, zoning changes, or nearby development projects. This can result in capital gains for investors. Diversification. Now, investing in parking lots can help diversify your investment portfolio, reducing your overall risk exposure. Real estate investments like parking lots are often less correlated with the stock market fluctuations, which provide a hedge against market volatility. Potential for redevelopment. Parking lots can be prime candidates for future redevelopment, particularly in urban areas. If zoning regulations change or the surrounding area experiences growth, a parking lot may become a valuable piece of land for residential or commercial development. Incorporating parking lots into your investment portfolio can provide diversification, risk mitigation, and a steady stream of income. To effectively integrate parking lots into your portfolio, consider the following steps. Assess your current investment portfolio to determine how parking lot investments fit within your overall investment strategy and risk tolerance. And then look for those gaps in your portfolio that parking lots could fill, such maybe as a need for additional diversification or a more stable income stream. Conduct thorough due diligence to ensure that you're making informed investment decisions. Determine the appropriate allocation of parking lot investments within your portfolio. This will depend on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and the specific opportunities available to you. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of your parking lot investment, and this includes staying informed about any changes related to zoning and regulations, and also keeping up to date with market conditions and trends, and also proactively manage and maintaining the parking lot itself. You also need to rebalance your portfolio periodically to ensure that your allocation to parking lot investments remains in line with your investment goals and risk tolerance. I've got a free gift for you in the description of this video. We're here to help you with all your passive investing needs. But if you haven't guessed it by now, One of our absolute favorite asset classes is parking facilities. We work with these asset classes every day and know them inside out. If you want to learn more about what, in our humble opinion, is among the best asset classes in all of real estate, then click the link in the description to dive deeper and get our free guide to parking lot investing. We hope you have found this information valuable and are now better equipped to make informed decisions about incorporating parking lots into your investment portfolio. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips on real estate investing. Until next video, you take care.